All right, y'all. I'm gonna do the warm up for today. As you can see on yesterday's warm up, Monday, it says Paula runs a bakery. She estimates that her weekly cost of rent and electricity is $250. The ingredients to bake one cake cost $4. Write an equation to represent the total cost of Paula's bakery per week. If X is the number of cakes made, what is the slope and the y-intercept? What does the slope and the y-intercept represent in content of the problem? All right, so far, you know that she automatically has to pay this $2.50. So B, the y-intercept is $2.50. This is your initial amount or starting amount. Starting cost. You have to pay that, okay? Then you know that it costs $4 to bake one cake. So that's the rate of change. That's the amount of money that it's going to cost for each cake. So M is equal to $4, and it's $4 per cake. Okay, it's $4 to make every single cake. So your equation, so you have B is $250, and you have M, which is $4. And so your equation is going to be y is equal to 4x plus $250. So this is what the meaning of your y-intercept is. It's your starting cost. And the meaning of your slope is $4 per cake, or the cost per cake. Cost per cake and the starting amount of money that you have to pay for each week. Tuesday, it says the mass of dust particle is, and you have this long number, you have 0, and you got decimal, and you got 9 zeros, and it's 753 kilograms, okay? Write the value in scientific notation. Scientific notation is used to write numbers, to write big or small numbers readable. This is an extremely large number. So your calculator most of the time automatically writes these very small or very large numbers into scientific notation so it will fit on the screen, okay? This is how you write a number in scientific notation. This is just making this number more readable, okay? Because it's extremely small here. All right, so the first thing that you're going to do is locate your decimal. You're going to move your decimal behind the first significant digit. Significant digits are digits that hold value, 1 through 9, okay? So you can't leave this decimal behind this 0. The first significant digit as I read a number is going to be 7. That's the first significant digit in this number. So I'm going to count how many times it takes me to get this decimal behind the 7. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so it takes 10 times to get it behind the decimal. So this is going to be 7.53. Automatically write times 10 because you move every time you're moving a place value over. And how many place values place values are represented by base 10. And how many times did I move it over? I moved it 10 times. So my exponent is going to be 10. If I was to multiply, negative 10, because this number is a small number, okay? So if I was to multiply this number back out, my answer that I would get is this right here. If the number is a small number, such as this, your exponent is going to be a negative, okay? If the number is greater than 1, then your exponent is going to be a positive because you had to move it in the opposite direction. This is this answer written in scientific notation, okay?